Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix notification not showing on iPhone in iOS 15. So let's get started. Firstly, open the settings app on your iPhone. On the settings, scroll up and tap on notifications. Here, tap on show previews and select always. Go to back menu. Now select the application whose notification doesn't appear on your screen. Here, turn on allow notification. Turn on time sensitive notification and check lock screen notification center and banners. Now go back to settings menu. Scroll down and tap on focus. Here tap on do not disturb. Make sure that do not disturb toggle is off. If it's on, the notification will not appear on your screen. So make sure that do not disturb is off. Now go back to settings menu. Scroll down and tap on general. Again scroll down and tap on background app refresh. Here tap on background app refresh at the top of the page. Here select Wi-Fi and mobile data. So friends, like this little video of ours before leaving. Subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video.